hear you and I can see you. I'm going to put you on the spotlight and I'm gone.
Awesome. I'll be glad to take that spotlight for a couple of minutes. Thank you, Coach Kev. I want to give it back to you. I appreciate you, as we all do. You just give selflessly all the time. And guys, I tell you the honest truth, the way Coach presented tonight, I could sign up all over again tonight. So thank you, Coach, for presenting it so clearly for us.
You're welcome.
So a little bit myself, guys. Again, I'm Sam Atwell, based out of Philadelphia. What made me get involved with the program? Well, again, as Coach Kev said, my nephew directly enrolled me, and the purpose was, I'm a blue-collar worker. That's my occupation. I paint for a living, 35 years in the game. Listen, you stand still long enough, I'll paint you, as a joke. But I love painting, but I had to take a serious look at investing in myself, getting a little older. So I had to start with my credit. Guys, I was like millions before the pandemic, after the pandemic. I was credit invisible and credit jail. So I got enrolled in the program, and just shy of 6 months, I did my 3 rounds of disputes, just like Coach Kev encouraged us to. I was prompt, did them certified mail, and amazingly, I got the results back in just a short period of time. I had 13 items removed off my credit file. 2 of them were in collections, they were student loans, and 1 was a car repossession. When I tell you that I'm a product of the product, I am just that. So my credit score went up from a 510 to a 660. And here's the best part. I say this all the time. Documentation beats word of mouth conversation, right? Here's my documentation. Never held 3 major credit cards, but I hold them in my hand now and I show you. So if it happened to me, it can definitely happen to you. Here's my call of action. Get on the phone with the agent who got you on here. Let that agent walk you through on the phone with the enrollment process. It takes 5 minutes. You'll be in the program. You'll see your credit score go to the roof, and you'll be able to grab credit cards as well. Coach Kev, that's my time. Thank you for the team. Thank you for the Philly team. Guys, get enrolled immediately. Thank